Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Sambal city which was seen in the news due to riots is located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. The Zorawa tribe is predominantly found in which part of India? A. Lakshadweep, B. Assam, C. Andaman and Nicobar Island, D. Manipur. Correct answer is C. Question number 3. What is the name of the new DTH channel launched by Ministry of Education for Indian Sign Language? A. Bharat e-learning channel, B. Inclusive learning channel, C. PM e-Vidya DTH channel, D. Prakhar channel. Correct answer is C. Question number 4. Which state has become the first in India to fully integrate its procurement process with Government e-Marketplace (GeM)? A. Maharashtra, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 5. The Konda Reddy tribe is primarily found in which state? A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Odisha, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 6. Where was India's first glass bridge inaugurated? A. Kochi, Kerala, B. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, C. Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, D. Porbandar, Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. Samudrayan project comes under which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Earth Science, C. Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, D. Ministry of Defense. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. Which lake in Rajasthan has been renamed as Varun Sagar Lake? A. Nakki Lake, B. Foy Sagar Lake, C. Samand Lake, D. Kailana Lake. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. The Jogi Ghopa Inland Waterways Terminal is located on which river? A. Ganga, B. Brahmaputra, C. Yamuna, D. Godavari. Correct answer is B. Question number 10. देश का प्रकृति परीक्षण अभियान is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Ayush, C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, D. Ministry of Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 11. Where was the 5th United States Consulate inaugurated in India? Again, I repeat, where was the 5th United States Consulate inaugurated in India? A. Lucknow, B. Bengaluru, C. Bhopal, D. Jaipur. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Which ministry has launched the toolkit for 9th edition of Swachh Sarvekshan, the world's largest urban cleanliness survey? A. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, B. Ministry of Jal Shakti, C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question number 13. Question number 13 is Kodawa tribe is primarily found in which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Maharashtra, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Question 14. देश का प्रकृति परीक्षण अभियान is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Ayush, C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, D. Ministry of Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 15. The term doubtful voter or D-voter has been primarily used in which northeastern state? A. Assam, B. Manipur, C. Nagaland, D. Tripura. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. Pashu Aushadhi initiative has been launched under which program? A. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, B. Livestock Health and Disease Control Program, C. Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme, D. National Livestock Mission. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. Which two union territories have achieved 100% rooftop solar targets for government building as of March 2025? A. Delhi and Pondicherry. B. Chandigarh and Daman and Diu. C. Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. D. Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is B. Question number 18. Which state was the first in India to implement National E-Vidhan application? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Nagaland. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. Kanda tribe is primarily found in which Indian state? A. Jharkhand. B. Odisha. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question number 20. Which state is the third to approve a space industrial policy following Karnataka and Gujarat? A. Maharashtra. B. Odisha. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Correct answer is C. Question 21. Which state government has introduced the gig workers ordinance in May 2025? A. Maharashtra. B. Karnataka. C. Telangana. D. Odisha. Correct answer is B. Question 22. Which state government has recently amended the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act to reduce tobacco use? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Karnataka. C. Odisha. D. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Question number 23. Where is India's first variable speed pumped storage plant located? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Punjab. D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 24. What is a Bailey bridge that was recently mentioned in news? Option A. A type of underground tunnel. B. A type of modular bridge with pre-built parts. C. A wooden suspension bridge. D. A cable stayed steel bridge. Correct answer is B. Question 25. The Karai camel is native to which state? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you liked the video.